You are eating less but still gaining weight. Your energy is gone, hair is thinning, skin is dry, and you feel cold even in summer. This isn't just aging. Your thyroid might be slowing down. In next few minutes I will show you the real cause of hypothyroidism and exactly how you can fix it naturally. Welcome back to World of Nutrition and Fitness where it's all about real food, real strength and real results. Thyroid is butterfly shaped gland in your neck, but it controls almost every cell in your body. It regulates metabolism, energy, mood, and even your heartbeats. When it doesn't make enough hormones, we call it hypothyroidism. When this happens, every process in your body slows down, which is why you feel tired, gain weight, and face multiple health problems at once. Here are the most common reasons your thyroids may slow down. First, autoimmune damage. Your immune system attacks your own thyroid tissue, reducing the ability to produce hormones. Second, nutrient deficiency. Iodine, selenium, zinc, and vitamin D are all essential for thyroid hormone production. Deficiency in any can cause problem. Third, chronic stress. High cortisol blocks the conversion of T4 to T3, leaving your cells starved for energy. Fourth, high sugar and refined carbs. Too much processed foods leads to insulin resistance, which affects hormone balance. Fifth, gut health and toxins. Poor gut health reduces nutrients uptake, while toxins from plastics, pesticides, and heavy metal can harm thyroid function. Here is the scary part. Most of the people only discover the thyroid issue years after the damage starts. But if you can catch the warning signs now, you can often reverse the damage before it gets worse. Let's see how. Common symptoms include extreme fatigue, hair loss, weight gain, constipation, depression, cold hands and feet, irregular periods, and sometimes swelling in neck. If this sounds familiar, get a simple thyroid blood test. Now, here's how to support your thyroid naturally. Eating thyroid boosting foods. Egg, fish, nuts, seeds, dairy, and seaweed for iodine, Brazil nuts for selenium, meat and pumpkin seeds for zinc. Add protein to every meal. Protein helps hormone production and keeps metabolism active. Cut down sugar and refined carbs. This improves insulin sensitivity and hormone balance. Manage stress. Meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and 20 minutes exercise helps reduce cortisol. Get enough vitamin D. Sunlight exposure is best. If low, supplements can help with doctor's advice. Heal your gut. Probiotics from yogurt or fermented foods and fibers from vegetable keep digestion and nutrients uptake strong. If you are on medication for hypothyroidism, these tips work alongside it. Never stop your medication without your doctor's advice. Your thyroid may be small, but it controls your energy, weight, and overall health. Support it with right nutrition, a balanced lifestyle, and regular checkups. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-based health tips, share this with someone who might be struggling with thyroid issue, and don't miss my next video where I will explain PCOD, why it's becoming so common and how you can manage it naturally.